try to get positioned just right. I've got my phone tied in a tree to record this. For a while now, I have been thinking about some sort of rear pack to go on my Hill People Gear kit bag. Now, if you're a Hill People user, you know that they make the Recon harness for these, which has got molly webbing on the back, but it is a full non-vented rear harness. It's made more for just hanging a water bladder on or a few small additional packs. Now with their quick release buckle set up, it'll be a lot easier to change those out. Previously, if you just had these slide buckles, it wasn't the quickest to be able to interchange in and out. So I never really wanted to go to full recon because I like the breathability of the mesh back. But what I'd been thinking about was if I could get some sort of pouch, trying to get in frame here, if I could get some sort of pouch to just hang on the back for occasional use when I wanted just a little bit of extra storage. So while I was getting my stuff ready earlier to come out here on the farm, I wanted to do just a little farm walk and bring a book with me and read. I happened to glance down and see that I had a 10x12 modified Possibles pouch from Tough Possum Gear. If you're not familiar with that, I'll put a picture in here of what it looks like. But essentially what I was able to do was use a couple of Grimlocks that I had and hang it on the back of my HPG harness. And then as you can see, I also took my TPG sit pad using a couple of just little cheap carabiners I had and hung that off the side as well. So that's going to allow me to have a little bit of hands-free, or I'm sorry, a little bit of extra capacity, keeping my hands free while walking and stuff without having to throw on my Terramara or anything big like that. Now, if I was actually doing long distance, I probably wouldn't go with this route. I'm not entirely for sure yet how comfortable it's going to be. It doesn't feel too bad. I don't really feel the Grimlocks on my shoulders. They're not really digging in or anything like that. It just feels fine, which some of you all know I added these extra tri-glides on mine to keep the slack up and help keep this harness in adjustment. But that's just kind of the quick down and dirty of that and how I've got that set up. I hope that shows up on there. I believe it is. Let you all get a good look at that. It's not secured on the back. That way it can kind of flop around. I still get a little bit of airflow underneath of it. So there's that. But yeah, we'll see how this works. As of right now, though, what little bit I've been out here with it, I think it's going to be pretty good. So we'll keep y'all updated and see how it goes. Thanks, guys. Keep your knives charged, your lights sharp.